shows like a model home in a new community. Take a look at these photos. Located on a big lot with a vibrant and colorful exterior plus a backyard tastefully decorated, you will find a home offering a peaceful setting. Welcome to a great community with nearby 429, 414 and 408 access. Tastefully decorated with recent upgrades, you will find modern finishes, wood floors, staggered tile flooring, outstanding eat-in kitchen with upgraded lighting, updated to HVAC and flexible floor plan today's buyers require. Wood flooring in the open flex space formal rooms, large front window and high ceilings allows plenty of natural light to highlight a well-maintained home. The kitchen offers bevel edge counters, new flooring, stainless steel appliances, an abundance of cabinet space and great view of the family room plus outdoor patio retreat. The centrally located family room is between a versatile split bedroom floor plan. The master suite with hardwood floors has a beautiful patio view plus 2 walk-in closets and excellent updated master bath with added cabinet storage, new flooring, new quartz counters, double vanity, corner garden tub and separate shower. The other 3 bedrooms are each of fantastic size. The 4th bedroom is utilized as a home office and decorated with a plank wood accent wall, and the 2nd full bath is as enjoyable as the master bath, offering a tub with shower. The laundry room has added storage, as does the 2-car garage.